Here is how you make money trading Forex. First of all, you make money trading by trading less, meaning you don't have to trade every time, or you don't have to be involved in the trade every second of your life to make money. Meaning you can even make more money trading less, meaning you should be very selective as a trader. Then, secondly, as a trader, you also have to learn to assess yourself, go back to your trading journal, revisit your drawing board. Always learn, always improve on what you're doing, not changing what you're doing. Don't come on here on YouTube watching 1,000 videos a day and you expect to make money trading. You're just hoping to look for that one holy grail strategy that is going to give you 100% trading, you know, successfully, 100% success rate. It is not possible. It does not exist. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, what I do is I look for key levels in the market that has been formed and broken. Okay. Then I measure the price leg and look for the 50% retracement of the Fibonacci. Then I draw out my key level. Then I place a sell or a buy limit. I don't wait for any confirmations and I trade from them. And I aim for 1:2 in the market. Then price areas in the market that I identify very, very strong push from, I call them support and resistance. That's all I do. So right here, breaking down this chart, just looking at this chart here, I've seen dozens of ways to trade this thing. But now, as a trader, you know what? You need to have a system. What strategy? What are you using? What are you doing? Indicators, whatever you're using, everything works. You just need to dedicate yourself to one. And I have chosen to trade naked charts. I don't like indicators. These candlesticks you see on my screen, these are my indicators, okay? I look at what the market is doing, then I call them my indicators. So what I do is, first off, I come on here. I go on the 4-hour time frame. I look for strong levels that have been rejected and I call them resistance. But when I want to easily flip an account or scalp, this is for scalpers. This is the 5-minute time frame. New Zealand dollar, US dollars. You just come right here on the 5-minute time frame. Forget about any other time frame. Don't do any top-down analysis. When you're in a trade or you're not in a trade or you're doing an analysis, you should not be looking at 2-minute time frames. It's just going to give you a lot of information, which you will find it very difficult to process. Okay? Am I talking too fast? Oh, okay. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. I'm sorry if I'm talking too fast. Okay. I just know your attention rate is your human retention rate is very, very short. Like you guys just click away too easy. Please. Man, my lungs hurt. Okay. Now we can see that this market here is in a strong downtrend. All right. This is a strong, very, very strong downtrend, as you can see. So if you have been given this as an assignment, okay, which is what I do. I've just before I start this video, let me just say this real quick. Yesterday I started my first trading channel. I've opened a Telegram channel where traders come there. I share my trading ideas. I share some of my setups with them. Then there is this group of traders that I share 100% of my trading setups with. I also share trading ideas with. They also tell me their issues, like we discuss on it. Then we also attend Zoom meetings once in a week. I go on a Zoom meeting. I look at your screen. You look at mine. I tell you what I'm looking at. 100%. I share 100% of myself with these special people, and they pay $50 for a month. I started this yesterday. Okay, so if you maybe think this is just too much for you to comprehend, it's just too much for you to learn, then okay, deposit money in your account, risk it all, join my stuff, and let's risk it all. Because coming here and be like, I'll give you signals, I'm not guaranteeing you any success. I'm just telling you that I'm doing this and it's working. So if you feel like you believe in me or you just want me to do it for you, then risk it all. I still say it's not financial advice, really. Okay, now we have this price leg. How do we trade this? This is how I trade. I look for swing highs. I look for a higher low. Once I see this price leg, I use my Fibonacci. I draw it. Bam. What is the midpoint of this leg, of this price? Here. This is the midpoint. Is there any key level here? No. Is there any key level above this midpoint? Yes, there is. But I don't want to see any key level below this midpoint. Why? Because I'm trying to sell this market at a very, very higher price. Meaning, if I have a product, I would actually prefer to sell that product when it's very expensive, so that I can maximize my gains, right? But if I'm to buy, as a buyer, we want to buy this thing as cheap as possible. You feel me? Because if, let's say you're a retailer, you have to buy and sell. So if I'm to buy this market really expensive, who am I going to sell to? And how am I going to make profits? it doesn't work, right? That's just the idea behind this. So this Fibonacci here, this 50%, any price leg, any key level above this 50% level is where we're selling. Any key level below the 50% level, we're looking for buys. So here, this is a downtrend, one. Secondly, we're looking for sales. Two, this is our price leg here, the swing high and the swing low. We've drawn it out and we're looking for the 50% level. Is there any key level exactly there? No, but there's a key level above it right here. We can draw this out because price has tapped it, and price has rejected, broken it. So we can draw it out and we look for what? We look for market to retrace back into this level. Then we're looking to short this market right there. So that didn't happen. The market never retraced to there, and we move on. We look for more. Okay, now price has pulled here, made another new high and broken it to the downside. So where is the high? This is the high. This right here is the high. And where is the low? This is the low. This is the low. So now where's the midpoint of this move? Where's the midpoint of this swing? This one swing like this. This is the midpoint right here. Is there a key level? Yes, there is. This one. There's a key level there. So you sell from these key levels. When you identify your midpoint, you make sure that your market has retraced right back to the middle of that swing. Then you just look across. Is there a key level? Yes. Risk it all. Sell from there. If the level breaks and stops you out, then you wait for the market to break the structure clearly. You measure the leg again and make sure that your key level is found below the 50% if you have to buy the market. And you place your buy limit right there to have the best possible entry. Use limit orders. Stop waiting for engulfing candles, because if you were to wait for an engulfing candle, let's just take, for example, here, look at this black candle. This will be your entry. This up here will be my entry. So I got a better entry, and I'll leave the market as early as possible. But you're entering here, then you have to stay longer. I'm sorry. So now we have a key level there. What do? We use our sell limit. We just place our sell limit. Bam. We don't aim for too much. We want to be in and out as fast as possible. We have two highs here. One, two, this high and this high. I want my stop loss to just be above these highs because I just want to give the market a little room to breathe. So I'm looking for 1:2 in this market. Nothing much, nothing more, nothing less. Just 1:2. I'm out and I'm looking for what next to do. When I trade like this, I'm more comfortable because I'm really, there's just a lot. If I'm in a trade, I have to wait for days, bro. Jesus Christ. That hurts, okay? So 1:2, I feel like it's easily achievable. Let's do it. Then what? We have what? We have, let me just use this, let me use this tool here, guys. We have this swing low. We have the lower high. We have a lower low. We have a lower high, a lower low. A lower high, a higher low. The market is shifting structure to the upside. Then we have this high. Okay, now we've taken a trade here. What next can we do? This is another swing point here. We have a lower high and a lower low. What do? We measure it and we look for the middle of this price leg. Okay, where is the middle? You see this line here, right? My middle. This is it. Is there a key level there? Let me delete this so you can see well, guys. Is there a key level in the middle of this thing that I drew? My chart is looking really messy, but I want you to focus so that you can see beyond. You feel me? Let me also delete this stuff. Good. Now, this is the midpoint of this price leg. Is there a key level? Yes, there is this low and this low here. These two lows are my key level. Because what? We have a leg. We have the middle of that retracement. The market did retrace in the midpoint. And we had a sell right there. Sell limit is sitting right there, waiting for money to come and grab it. And let's make money. So I don't see any recent high here. So my stop loss will just be above this zone very, very slightly, just like 2 pips or something to account for spreads or anything of that sort. Then we look for 2, right? 1:2. Bam, just one candle, we're out. We're already out. And our account is all blue. It's all blue, guys. It's all blue, right? In this market, in a market like this, you're going to take losses. It's very, very inevitable. But before you take losses, you're going to take a handful of winners. You know why? Because the market moves like this, zigzag, 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 and you're always going to make money. So if you have this idea that it's just too difficult, then I don't know what else you want, but please. Okay, let's do it. Even here, you can see this price like here from this high to this low, midpoint. There's a key level. This is your key level. Tap, tap, pop, retracement. Bam. You would have made money here. So it's just everywhere. It's everywhere. Every time frame. If you go even on the monthly time frame, it is perfectly the same thing. It just depends on the kind of trader that you are. If you're a long-term trader, then okay. If you're a short-term trader, then it's perfectly fine. Okay, then we have now this price leg from this low to this high. Bam, 50%. Yep. You see now, traders will come here and be like, oh, this key level has been broken. We have one tap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is definitely a key level for some traders. Yeah, because it has this number of taps. But it is a key level. But to me, I will not be looking to buy from that key level because the market is way too expensive for me to buy. Why is it expensive? Because it is inside my premium area. You sell when the market is inside here. You buy when the market is here. So now that I know that, okay, I want to buy inside this level here. Is there a key level inside my buying zone? Yes, there is one. One special guy. This motherfucker right here. This is a key level. Price rejected, pulled back, and broke. It just happened to be there. It's just like it's like a boss just coming to pick me up for school. It's just waiting for me. Okay. So I have it there. I have my buy limit right up. Bam. As it just opens. Oh, let me just grab this thing. As it opens, I just put it right there. My stop loss. I don't see any recent low here I can put it, so I can just keep it really tight because I want to leave this market as fast as possible. You know, we're trading like flash. We're in, we're out. Bam. 1:2. Nothing more. We're out. Okay, I'm just doing this hypothetical exam. I'm just looking at this chart. I'm trying to, train your eyes to understand what I'm saying. Please understand what I'm saying. Rewatch this video and rewatch it. This is $1 million content that I'm putting out here. I don't sell courses, so I don't have any reason keeping this thing. I'll just give it to you. But if you're just too lazy to, take notes and understand this thing, join my VIP Telegram channel. Then I'll give you setups and you just need to press buttons on your phone. Okay? You take losses, you take wins. And yeah. So yeah, I'll just cut it short here. I feel like just inside this small area here, we've learned a lot of things. I've explained so many things to you, so you should understand. And you should have this is actually a trading strategy that you can use alone without any other thing, just your Fibonacci and 50% retracement. Just this idea alone, you can actually trade. This is how people trade now. Indicators and all this stuff is just overwhelming. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do consider subscribing. I just got started. I created this channel 1 month ago and we'll have close to 700 subscribers. Wow. So I really appreciate each and every one of you who subscribe to my channel. You're the one who, I'm just up. It's really late right now. This is like 1:30 a.m. I'm supposed to be in bed, but I'm here making videos because you guys are encouraging me really, really well. So click the link, join my Telegram. It's free. You can go for the paid one if you want. Then follow me on IG. Let's be, thanks for watching.